针对非洲金矿市场定制的湿碾机 （Wet Grinding Machine Customized for the African Gold Mine Market）。在严寒天气下完成高标准装箱 （Complete High Standard Container Loading in Severe Cold Weather）。彰显国产矿山设备的硬核品质与交付实力 ，highlighting the robust quality and delivery capabilities of domestic mining equipment。掘金非洲，设备先行 ，expanding into Africa，but equipment comes first。欢迎全球金矿客户垂询定制 ，Welcome global gold mining customers to inquire about customization。